welcome to my channel. In today's video, I decided to shoot these ones outside, couple of videos outside, so that you also enjoy and I love the brightness of the day. And now today's video, we are going to look at great untapped manufacturing business ideas that you can start and make good money. Number one manufacturing idea that I'm going to share with you is reusable diapers. Now, statistics have shown that over 1.9 billion of these are thrown in Nigerian streets a year. 1.9 of this, 1.9 billion of these are thrown in Nigerian streets every year. And now that boils down to approximately 5 million a day. This is too much. And now it's making every place messy. If you move to the dustbin, if you go close to the dustbin, in some street corners, you see these things that's disposed everywhere. Now, this shows that it's a great business. It's a great business opportunity because it's causing pollution and it's not good for our environment. Now, the deal is, the idea is, what if we turn this? What if we can manufacture this to be reusable? You make it in a way that when the baby uses it, you can remove the inner parts and then replace another one and still use it perfect. And so when a parent purchase this, he or she can use for 10 to 15 times before burning it off. It's a great business idea. So it just remember that we did not start using this initially. We were using, towel and napkins to wrap our children, and then from there we move to this. So someone with the inspiration, if you have the cash, you can manufacture something that will be reusable. You can easily wash it and use it again, not to just use it, fold and throw it away. It's so expensive. If you look at it, in some household, some parents use this, 3 of this a day, 4 of this a day, and dispose it, and then they buy like that for 3-4 years. You can do the math and see how much parents are spending. Number 2 is mobile car pump. Just like every car has a jack inside and other tools, why can't we also manufacture a mobile car pump where you can pull up by the side and pump your tire and then zoom off again, and that way you will not be frustrated on the road. Number 3 business idea that I'm going to share with you is called hotel room scanner. Now, this is an app that someone can build, develop, and you can easily, before you step into the room, you know that most times people are invited into a hotel for a business discussion or whatever it is, and they go in without coming out. Now, if you have an app in your phone that you can easily scan the room before going inside, you can stay outside from your phone. Once you put on that app and face the room, put in the details of that room, you find out that everything about the room will be displayed on your screen. That way you could see what is inside, whether it's risky, dangerous, whether there are armed robbers there, ammunition there, whatever it is that is harmful, and then you will not go in. It will be a life-saving app that every traveler needs, every businessman will need it, will install this app. So if you can develop an app like that before you step into any hotel room, you can scan the room from outside. It will help souls and you are going to make good money. Don't you think that you are going to make good money? Number 4 is statistics and survey company. This is a very rare business in Nigeria and we are lacking information. For me to get the information of the first idea that I showed you, I have to go online and did a thorough research. Now, if you have what it takes to develop a company that any information you need about products, about the country, most things that people are desiring. For instance, students that are carrying out their projects find it difficult to gather certain information because there are no statistical and survey companies in Nigeria. So if you can build a survey and statistical company in Nigeria, you are going to make money because there are some businessmen that need to know how other businesses are doing, how many products are being sold or consumed. There's no company doing that. There's no company in Nigeria that is really taking care of statistics in Nigeria. So if you step in, you're going to make money because businessmen, businesswomen, producers, salespeople, they need information. People need information, the right information. So build a survey company today, a statistical company today, and make money. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Don't forget to also drop a comment which of these ideas you really cherish, you really love. And do not forget to give us a thumb up. Share this video with your friends. Number 4 business idea is very simple, and I want you to experiment it. When I explain it, I want you to experiment it. Do you know that you can actually produce bricks like this without cement? Solid, strong blocks like this without cement. Now, this is the trick. I did this experiment with a civil engineer, and we found out that it is durable and is very, very effective. Now, if you just gather some plastics in your area that are disposed everywhere, gather some plastic bottles, melt them, and add sand. When it's liquid, when it's melted, add sand to it and pour it into a mold. You find out that within 2 to 3 minutes it will solidify. And when it solidifies, a beautiful block is already made. Now, if you have a little compressor, something that can compress and compact the mixture, is going to be awesome. I've seen it on YouTube also, where people are using plastic to manufacture tiles, interlock step tiles, and they're making money. Number 7 business idea I'm going to share with you is on glasses, and this is it's not the normal glasses or welder's glasses that you put on and you do normal work. Now, I want to open your eyes a little. Do you know that most of the accidents that happen on our roads today, they always happen at night? This is because most cars, they don't know how to dim their light, most drivers. And now, because this one is coming with high rays, this one is coming with also high rays, you see that they will not really see each other. That way they will crash. Now, a very clear business is there, because where there's a problem, there is a business. Now, this is the business. If you can manufacture good glasses that can, try to control the rays, the dispersions of the rays, and make it in a way that no matter how the rays are coming, it will make it clear that you, the driver, you that is putting on those glasses, it will be as if you are driving at noon. Don't you think it's going to be effective? You're going to make money. Every driver will buy it. Every driver on the street will buy it, because once you are hitting the road at night, you don't have anything to fear. No matter the flashes, those glasses will filter it and make it so simple and clear. You could see the car coming clear and give way. So it will save life. So if you can manufacture, if you have enough cash to manufacture these glasses, get in and save life, make good money out of it. Now, as a food science student, I've done some research and found out that Nigerian pancake is one of the best in the world. Nigerian pancake, the one we call diet, whichever name you call it in your area, but generally it's called pancake, is the most delicious and best in the world. But nobody is packaging it. That is idea number 8. Nobody is packaging these pancakes and distribute it. We always depend on gala on the streets, or either popcorn or chin chin. These are the only snacks that you can get on the road while traveling. Now, if you can package these pancakes and send it out, a lot of persons are going to buy, because people love eating pancakes. So pancake packaging is one of the easy business that you can start with low capital and make good money. Number 9 business idea is on farming. If you observe very well, you find out that one of the problems farmers in Nigeria are facing is feeds, lack of feeds. That is why you hear herdsmen clashing with farmers every day, and they are killing lives. Now, if you can step into feed manufacturing, either you manufacture feeds for cattle, for ruminant animals, or you manufacture feeds for poultry farmers, you manufacture feed for pigs, whichever feed that you manufacture, I tell you that you are going to make money. Now, if you ask me, I will suggest that you manufacture feeds for ruminant animals. Ruminant animals like the goats, the sheep, and the cattle. This is a problem in Nigeria. Now, their feeds are very easy to manufacture. Now, if you move down to the Niger Delta, where we have a lot of green grasses wasting, you can cut these green grasses free of charge and then add some concentrates, and your feeds are ready. You send it to the north and make good money. That way, you are also going to solve a lot of problems. You are also going to stop a lot of killings. So manufacturing of feeds is one of the best and lucrative business because the demand is high. The demand is very high. And when the demand is high, you know what it means. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.